Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a continuation of my van build, taking my Ford Econoline and making it into a quasi camper van. So for several years I've had a list of things that I want to do to the van, and one of them was to put captain's chairs in it so that the chairs, the driver and the passenger could swivel around and face the back. That would really open up extra space for me, and it would really be convenient for a place to sit, as well as opening up more space where I didn't have to have a chair dedicated in the space back there. The swivel seats are not cheap, and I've put it off for the last couple years, and Black Friday Sportsmobile had the swivel seat bases on Black Friday clearance, and so I saved a bunch of money and I bought one for the passenger seat. I wanted to see how it was going to work before I decided if I really needed one for the driver's seat or not. But for the passenger seat, since normally I'm out alone, I didn't think that would be a big deal just to have that one so that I could keep it facing backwards a majority of the time versus the driver's seat, which would be coming back and forth all the time. So here's what we got. We got this box in the mail, and I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see, but we're going to do that today, and we're going to install a swivel seat in the van, in the camper van. Well, supposedly this should just be an easy plug and play type situation, but it never is. It's always more difficult than you think it's going to be. But for the most part, if it lines up perfectly, which I'm nervous about, it's really only 4 bolts to attach the actual seat to the base and 4 bolts to attach the base to the floor. I think I'm going to have to probably change some of the wires that control the... You know what? I don't have power seats in the passenger side, so I think that's going to be even easier. Hopefully this is going to be a nice, quick and easy job. Well, I'm going to start by removing the 4 bolts that attach the seat base down to the floor of the van. Had to break them loose with a hammer because they're a little rusted in. I have to make sure I put a little coat of WD-40 on there. Put them back in. And the helper over here, right? They're coming. Hey, get out of there. I'm trying to work. I think it's going to be easier to get these ones from back here if I can get the tail out of the way. This one I didn't even have to break loose. There's always one that is going to stick though, and it looks like it's going to be the last one probably. Whoa, what's going on here? Supposed to do that? None of the other ones did that. And I have a tail in my face. I just used a screwdriver to pry off that kind of cap, and I see there's a retaining clip in here. I gotta figure out how to winch that off. The wire here comes apart, but it looks like just like that. That was easy. So that should release the chair from the floor. Look at that. So that wasn't so bad. Looks like it should be fairly straightforward. Just 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts should come out. Are they going to be the same size socket? Nope, of course not. That should get this out, and then we'll reattach the new piece. These ones aren't corroded or anything, so they're coming out fairly easy. This is the last one. The seat base off. All right, so there's the seat base. That's what we want to replace. Well, here's the part that I don't know. I'm not sure what part is the floor and what part is the seat base. Except it can't go like that because the seat adjuster is in the way. So it must go like this. I don't like that it doesn't sit down as nicely. I wonder if I gotta cut this carpet out here. You know, they don't give you any freaking directions. All right, well, I got the nuts threaded here, but I'm a little bit worried. Okay, that one's in, but I'm a little bit worried about this one. If I'm gonna be able to get that into the, oh, yeah, okay. We got it to bite. All right, we might be all right. We might be all right. So I think we're gonna tighten these first, since these are the ones that are the least I'm most worried about. And I sat in the seat, and it actually, the height is just right, so I don't know how that worked out. It certainly seemed like it was going to be way lower, but yet, because I don't want to. This one I didn't have a lot of grab on, so I'm gonna get that one. It feels good. It feels right. Let's see. Oh, I think you have to. All right. There. Interesting. This will be nice. This will be really nice, won't it, River? We just opened up a huge amount of space in the van, and now I can get rid of that chair over there if I want. I wonder if I should do this for the driver's seat as well. All right. Oh, no, no, down. Now the trick will be, how do I, so you have to straighten the back up. And then you have to pull it forward, I believe. I think this is going to be one of those things that you're going to want to do from outside the van. Yeah. There, perfect. There, pretty happy with it. Now I just got to finish cleaning this mess out in here. Got that rubber mat. In the wintertime, I usually put it down over the floor just to keep the water and the snow from wrecking the floor, but it's deteriorated so much from folding and unfolding and having it in the attic over the summer that it's, as you can see, it's really ripped up. So what I thought I'd do is put it on the floor in the tool shed, either underneath the bunk or just as a mat to stand on for a little cushion for your feet.